5-in-1 cinematic reels now! Hey there, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create that cinematic 5-in-1 reels or 3-in-1. Basically the process is the same for everything. You can create like 10-in-1, I don't know, it will be invisible, but yeah, you can do it, right? Wait, there's more. I will show you the trick with the Premiere, and you will never use the calculator again to calculate the things that you want to calculate inside the Premiere, because you can do it inside the Premiere without the calc. That was too much information, I believe. So let's jump into Premiere and I will show you what you need to do. Let's go. So we're inside Premiere and I already imported the footage that we're going to work with. And first thing that we need to do, we need to create a new sequence. So for that, go to New Item and Sequence. From here, you will choose the DSLR 1080p and my frame rate is 24, so I'm gonna go with this option. If yours is different, choose the other presets like 30 FPS, 25, and I'm gonna switch to the settings. So basically we have 16:9 aspect ratio and we need to change it to 9:16, so I'm gonna go and change this 1080, 1920, and rest, I'll leave it as is and click OK. So there we have it, our vertical sequence. And the next thing that we need to do, we need to click on our program monitor here. We need to go to the view and show rulers and show guides. So after that, we are going to left click on our ruler and drag our guides to somewhere here. It doesn't matter. So, and this is the time for the magic trick that I said that I'm going to show you. So right click, edit guide, and basically you can see this is the position of the guide, and you can remember like it's supposed to be like 1920. This part should be 1920, and I'm gonna divide it by 5 and press enter. So Premiere calculated this for me and I don't have to use the calculator for this. And let's edit guide. So you can see the position is 384. So basically the division worked. And I'm gonna drag like one more guide and I'm gonna go and right, 384 times 2, so it will perfectly fit, and another one, and 384 times 3, another one, and I'm gonna go 384 times 4. So this is my perfect like split. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag my items that I want to stack here, and I'm gonna click on keep existing settings. So you can see like this is huge because like this is 4K, and I'm gonna scale this down to something like 30, I guess. Yeah, this will work okay for me. And now I'm going to just position this one roughly here, and if I want to like cut to my guide, and let me just show you one trick also. So basically now I can accidentally move my my guides. Let me just go back, 384. So in order to just froze those, you can go to the view and click on lock guides. So now I cannot move anything right here, and it's great. And also there is an option like snap to program monitor. So basically what this option will do, position, and you can see like it's snapping to the different points. So this is perfectly aligned to this guide. And if I want to do something like so, for example, I want to use this part, or like I want to perfectly match to the bottom part, you can see like it fits perfectly there. So I'm gonna do something like this, and we're gonna crop the upper part. We don't need audio. Let's remove this, and I will just add another one. So in this particular case, this layer is above, and we're gonna cover it. So I'm gonna go to the position, and I'm gonna move this to here, so you can see we covered the bottom part, and it perfectly fits here because we're using the snapping program monitor. And if we want to, for example, you want to cut this top part, you can go to the effects and you can go to the crop, and you can drag this crop in here. So let me just, okay. So you can click on the top and you can cut it, and or you can just move it here. And it will not snap inside the program monitor, but you can use like the zoom in. Ooh, this is too much, right? And you can see like I missed the okay, so now it's perfect. And by doing this, and let's go to the fit, you can make sure that everything is aligned there. If you need to use the specific part of your frame, and let's go to the project and let's just, I don't know, drag another one here. And again, like the process is the same for everything. You're gonna like scale this, and let's go with 30, and you're gonna position this. Let me just click on position, and like I'm gonna go with something like this, and I'm gonna cut the bottom part here. And for that, again, I'm gonna go to the effects, and I'm gonna drag the crop one here, or you can just refine the order. So for example, if I'm gonna move this to the top and move this to the bottom, you can see like it's covered and we don't need to do anything there. And you can like go and arrange, or you can use the crop, like do whatever you like. Let's go with the next one. And again, like as I said, the process is the same for everything, like 30, and then like the position. So I'm gonna position this like so, and right now I'm gonna just do things like this, and I don't need even to use any crops and things like that. And the last one, like this one, I'm gonna use, and let's go, and again, like scale it and move the video to something like so. And this one, again, like I can just go, and we don't need audio. Let's remove this, and again I can go and reposition this, and I did a mistake there, so let me just fix this. And which one is not this one, but yeah. So basically I should move this, and I should move this up and place it here. Oh, shoot, I forgot to crop this one, so it's not going to work. So let's just go back and do this thing here and place it here. So I'm gonna just use the crop, basically. I'm gonna move this like something like so, and I'm gonna go to the effects, and I'm gonna drag the crop here. And also you can like use this percentage in here if you like it more, but I find it like clicking on one of these, like it doesn't matter if you click on right, top, left, bottom, you can just go here and reposition this, and you can go and zoom in, get up, and again like zoom in more and get up, and you can like make this to fit perfectly. So basically this is it, and we created our 5-in-1 split. Like you can see, everything is perfect, everything is moving. And also you can like save your guides, basically from here, save guide as a template, and you can use it. You can clear guide from here, you can unlock it. So let's just clear guides, and let's remove all of these, and I will show you how to create like 3-in-1. So as I said, the process is the same for everything. And let's go back to the project, and basically the 3-in-1 is easier. So again, it was 1920, so we should divide it by 3, and we will get the 640. And we will drag another one and edit, and 640 times 2, and it will calculate automatically for us. And in this case, like I'm gonna go and drop 3 separate clips on top of each other. It doesn't matter what I'm doing here. I'm gonna remove this, and let's just go with the first one, with the top one, and just scale it, and it will fit perfectly, basically, the 4K thingy there. And I'm gonna move this to top position, and in here, like if, let me just click here. So you can see it's the snapping program monitor is activated, and let's just go and click on the position, not this one, but this one, and just, which one is this? Sorry, I'm confused a bit, like, what? Yeah, it's the middle one is in the top. So position, and I'm gonna just drag this to here, and it will snap perfectly. And the next one here, it's just perfect right there. And the next one, like 30, and I'm gonna move this one, the position, and I'm gonna move this right here, and like so. Oh, sorry. Like this. So we will have our perfect 3-in-1 split. This is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you liked it. And if yes, you know the drill, like put the thumbs up, sub to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay awesome.